So you want to know what TikTok categorizes you as, or what's your main niche. All right, this will help because some sellers will look at your profile and decide whether they want to give you the free sample or not, or partner with you, or even give you a brand deal based on, you know, what your main thing is, or even sometimes retainer deals. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. We are going to go to my second account because that's the one that I'm on right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a screen recording. Right here where the TikTok shop icon is, click on that. Right below that, you will see TikTok Shop Creator Center. All the way to the right, you'll see that arrow. Click on that arrow, and then now go to the top, click on your profile picture. Click directly on your profile picture. It will bring up a menu that most people don't see or ever go to because it's just one of those menus that you normally don't find. Right there in the middle, privacy settings. Click on that. We'll scroll down. Right there in the middle, show sellers my main category. You can toggle that on or off. Right at the end of that paragraph, it shows mine. After the colons, it says home and lifestyle, comma, fashion. That's my category. That's what TikTok has categorized me as, or my main niche. So if I'm a seller and I am trying to get a lawnmower, which I have trying to get a lawnmower, but when they go there, they see that I do headphones, earbuds, microphones, pocket knives. They don't see any lawn gardening, any power tools. And so they say, no, because he doesn't really do that. He's just trying to get this because he moved into a new home, which actually is the case. But so look at yours, see what yours says. Every account is always different. Now, both of my accounts do say the same thing, but I have seen other people's accounts. Some just say electronics, some say tech, some say beauty and makeup. All right, so there are fragrances, you know, is a category. So one more time, if you want, I can back out just in case you don't feel like rewinding. We will click on the TikTok shop icon right there. Right below that, TikTok shop creator center. Hit that arrow that is over to the right, and now we are going to click on your profile picture. Right there in the middle, privacy settings, and then of course, right there down in the middle, show sellers my main category. Now, if you turn that off, like I said, they'll just see that you have the followers and that you have the engagement, and they'll have to do the homework. They'll have to go through your profile and see, oh, viral video, oh, engagement. And they can give you the product or send you the sample or give you the retainer deal or the brand deal, because they can't just automatically say, oh no, they just do beauty and makeup. You know, why would I send them all this, you know, home, lawn and garden, you know, when all they do is earbuds? So, hey, hope that helps. Let me know, what is your category? What did TikTok categorize you as? I would love to know. Also, follow me on TikTok. The link is in the bio. As well as subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, tutorials that will help you succeed on TikTok Shop, as well as on YouTube, tips, tricks, and tutorials. All right, I'll see you on the next video.